today's travel day. It's 7:18. Something behind me. I just finished straightening up the rest of my apartment or whatever I had left. I ended up packing my bags or my bag last night. I was only gonna bring I originally was gonna bring just a duffel bag, but I soon realized it was too much stuff. Like, not a lot of clothes, but the stuff that I'm bringing is quite bulky, so I have to use like my regular carry-on or my little small carry-on suitcase. So that's actually not too bad. Now I just have to go move my car to the other side of the street. I think I got like 10 minutes before I can move it, and then take a shower and get dressed, get myself together. So this is what my suitcase is looking like right now. It's not bad. It's just the stuff that I have is bulky, like jackets and stuff, because I don't want to be cold. The weather's very unpredictable, so I want to make sure I'm like warm and stuff. So I'm gonna shower, move this car, get cute, and I'll come back. Guys, so I'm in New York City. I'm actually at the train station. About to go catch a train and go meet my girlfriend. I had to stop and grab something to drink or something to eat because I'm starving and I didn't eat breakfast at all. It's a little after 2 now, so I'm gonna go hop on the 1 to go to her house up in Harlem. It's my nice out. Hey guys, I made it to my friend's house. She's actually supposed to be meeting me right here, but she literally just got out of work. It's crazy, I got her before her. Wasn't expecting that. So I'm low-key just standing here waiting for her. I think I might actually go around the corner and grab something to eat because I'm starving. And I seen a KFC in the corner, so. Okay, so since I'm waiting, I'm gonna go to KFC and get something to eat. She's not gonna be here for like another 20 minutes, so that'll allow me to kill some time. Hopefully I can sit in there and eat. Yeah, Glennis is about to be a grandmommy. Look at them fish eggs. Look at that caviar in there.
I'm gonna die.
She was out here thotting and bopping. Look at them little fishy eggs in there. You got a whole aquarium in this damn apartment.
Some is food and some is fish eggs. And then the turtles got a doctor's appointment. See?
Well, they're so little. Oh, they don't look that bad. Oh, they are a little bit swollen. We're off to Cookie Land. Cookie Land. Come on, eyebrows. Oh my God. All right, we're trying to figure out if we should eat and be greedy or go home. Glennis.
We definitely just had Taco Bell probably like an hour ago.
Ooh, show them what we got.
Oh, look what we got. Oh.
Wait, show them the logo. Turn around.
Wait. Sorry.
Yo! I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long just to try these cookies. I literally came here for the cookies and for the color museum. That's it.
That's it.
So we're gonna find something to get into, I guess. There's somewhere to sit and be greedy. Out of breath. Walking up all of these goddamn stairs, in and out of these trains. I'm tired. It really seemed that I'm really out of shape. We're back at her apartment. We're actually about to run back outside because we want to get coffee for our cookies. And we're probably gonna just chill for the rest of the night since, you know, we're tired and we want to shower. And she gotta work in the morning, so. All right? Right. All right, so we're back. And we're gonna try the cookies. And they're still warm. Ready? All right, let's try this. The brown one is the regular one? Yeah. Oh.
How many
Feel
pounds?
it.
How many pounds is this, you said?
Oh!
No. Oh, it didn't touch the floor, guys! It didn't touch the floor!
You feel it? It's still warm,
Yes.
right?
Look at how thick this cookie is, though.
This shit is thick.
Look at how thick this is.
Oh, look at this. Wait, don't focus on my face. Focus on the goddamn cookie.
Wait, let me turn this around.
There we go. All right.
That's all right. 1, cheers, 2, cheers.
Oh, wait, you biting it? Okay.
Oh!
It's so chocolate.
It's like chocolate. That is bomb.
It's so gooey. Look at that.
I know. I think I'm gonna do it to you.
She's right. 2 is more than enough.
Oh.
Food porn. Oh, crazy.
Oh,
I feel like my teeth are gonna fall out.
Look.